Open your presents.
This present first. It's from my movie and I watched from the movie.
Merida?
Whoa, look at this one right here.
Oh, I see.
Her is her mother.
I don't know if they have any of her mother. I don't know if they have any of Merida's mother as doll. Why don't you open up your other present, Lil? Who is it?
Look at this one. Beautiful. That was from my show. Look, it matches to this one.
Yes, it does. It's okay, Misha. Who is it? Is it Twilight Sparkle?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at her hair.
Okay.
Open it, please.
I will. I think there's another present in the box. Why don't you look? Uh-oh, poor Misha's not happy.
A bookie.
Oh, whoa.
See what's in there. Open it up.
Oh, jeez. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, thank you, baby boy. Rainbow Dash?
Rainbow Dash, it's in that movie.
Wow.
Why these are my ponies?
You say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah, but not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
I'd like to play with them.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the recorder.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
There you go.